Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how you can add reminders on your NetSuite homepage. So here you can see a reminder section in the left hand side of this homepage. To set up the reminders, you can click on this three dots and then you can click on setup. So you can set up the reminders based on your daily needs. So whatever activities or tasks you are performing on a daily basis, you can set up those as reminders on your homepage. So let's say if you want to see how many sales order are pending for billing, how many bills are there which you have to pay, and so on, you can add those reminders on your dashboard. And if you have set up any approval processes, then you want to see how many transactions are pending for your approval, or somebody has rejected few transactions which you have submitted for approval. So you can add all those reminders in the reminder section. So let's add few reminders in the reminder portlet. You can search sales order to invoice to see the list of sales orders which are due for invoicing. So whenever new sales orders are created and are due for invoicing, you can see those transactions under the sales order to invoice reminder. Then you can add sales order to approve. You just need to click on the values you are seeing on the left hand side, and those will be added on the right hand side in the selection section. Remove this from the search bar, and this shows you the complete list of searches which are available in the system. You can also create custom searches so that you can add the reminders based on your requirement. Journal entries to approve, invoices overdue. If you want to see invoices in 30 days, 50K amount. So these are the standard ones which I'm adding here. If you want any custom reminders, then you can also create safe searches for that, and you can add those in your reminder section. And if you want to show the reminders, these reminders in your reminder portlet with zero results, you need to mark this checkbox, show reminders with zero results. Otherwise, you do not want to show the label for that reminder. If there are zero results, you can leave this checkbox blank. But there are two sections, one is heading and second is others. So if you want to create an heading for an reminder, you can move this to the heading section here. So let me save this and show it to you how it looks like. Yeah, so here you can see the one I have added to the heading is displayed here at the top, and others are displayed below that. Now you can see the count of the sales orders which are pending for invoicing. 6 sales orders are there pending for approval, and so on. If you want to add some color coding to these reminders, you can just click on the pencil icon, and then you can add a coloring rule, highlighting rule. So let's say if you want to show it in red when it is above 5, you can set up the rules. This greater than or equals to 5, then this will be yellow. If you want to change the color, you can change the color from this. So currently it is yellow. If you want to highlight it on red, then you can change the color and save it. So when the transaction count is above 5, you can see the color is red. Now let me show you after changing the value, and now let's do it 13. And you can see the color has been removed here. So you can define the colors based on the values you want to highlight those reminders. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe this channel, and stay tuned for more NetSuite related content. Thanks for watching.